tire right here.
What are we doing, Tom?
We're gonna replace this tire.
With what?
We're just gonna show you how to take it off, put it back on. You know, the goods. You know, sometimes you get in the woods, you got the wrong tires on. You might not know how to do this. He's got specialized, top of the line, anti-theft lugs on it. Also missing, there's a little cap that goes right here.
That's because it goes so fast.
Get in close on that so they know.
It's
so
not a velocity edition, goes a lot faster.
So fast it blew the caps off the tire. He's got these extra bolts on there just to keep the tire right on the machine itself. It's like, oh, you know, right there.
This is not going on there.
So we need a lifting device. Called a jack around the garage areas. See, we already got air in it. You can remove the air if you want to.
I'm not in this video.
So you gotta clean the area.
Clean the area. You see all that dirt?
Look at this! Look at this! That might get in your tire bead.
Well,
you don't want that. You'll get a
what
leak.
it's gonna do? It's gonna stop the jack from moving.
You get a leak. You don't want that.
Got it, Barbara. Get the jack.
Barbara, we need the
Jack.
jack.
People need to know how to take off a tire.
Can't lift it.
Can't lift it.
So you can't lift it. We've proved you can't lift the RZR to change the tire. Hey, we'll put this on Pollock Farm.
No. That's.
Do you want the jack?
Yeah, we're definitely taking the tire off.
Oh, okay. Why are we taking the tire off?
Tom wants to take tire off. Show the people how to take the tire off.
All right, grab the
Anybody
tire.
that's watching the video that doesn't know how to take the tire off?
This is.
Third place. Right there.
That's from the ice races.
That's what we're prepping out for. My third place finish with all these guys behind me.
I got one of them too. Mine has a 1 on it though.
One.
Does it?
It's because I was feeling bad that day. It's taking Jason to Gapplebee's.
In third place.
And yeah, so. So what step would this be considered?
Today it's like step 45. Normally this would be step 1.
Step 1, get your jack. Go to the nearest Harbor Freight dealership. I guess they're not really a dealership, are they?
Kind of. I mean, they got a lot of stuff that.
Your local store. Your local store. Get yourself a Daytona, because they use these exact. Oh no, that's a Pittsburgh. I was really cheap on that one. But it matches Turbo Bus red. Just pull a derrick and just start jacking.
Block of wood here?
You gonna scratch it? That side's blue already.
No, but it's buffed out right here.
Buffed out. if you oh, that comes good. See, I put a piece of tape there, wheeled this out, just for all you people that want to oh, you're gonna bend it.
Is it bending?
No, just keep going.
All right, so now your tire is lifted off the ground.
All right, it's lifted off the ground.
All right. So since this video is super easy for you to follow because it's literally changing the tire.
You need your safety glasses on.
First, safety first.
Dang it, we can't.
Always. And you never want to have your hat on that way because debris could hit the brim right in your eye. Shoot your eyes out. So, tire's off the ground.
It's off the ground.
You may or may not want to take the air out of the tire before you perform this next step.
Them words are way too fast. May or may not.
What I was getting at before is this is a job that for some people may be easy, may not be easy. Personally, when you're drunk, pretty hard job, especially due to the fact that he's got these anti-theft devices on it. And he blew the hubcap off of it because of the speed of this machine. Just get excited about it when I talk about it. Just woo! All right. So now
let's get the tools.
We're gonna go to the part where Sean taught me this in the last video. Everything moves real fast.
Yeah.
You might not know what's going on, but just watch the video.
Let's put the time lapse on.
I'm gonna be moving around like this, and it's gonna be, everything's gonna be crazy. All right, tire's good.
All right, I'm gonna put the time lapse on. You ready?
Throw that time lapse on. Go.
All right.
All right. Now let's insert a video
If someone else
of
doing
just
this.
somebody else doing this, like Muffler Man, Discount Tire in town, somebody like that. Because I don't really see a reason to take a tire off and put it back on. So
I mean,
let
Barbara,
the jack back down since it's moving fast. Here, wait. Let me.
Yeah, just go grab one of the tires outside.
I was hoping for the paddle.
It's the tire we're gonna put on right there. All right. Good.
Yep.
Is that good? All right.
That's
Is
good.
that the ones you're gonna stud up for the ice?
Yep, them are the them are the ice racing tires.
Studding paddle tires. Seems like a good idea. Done that before.
Did you really?
Yeah, they hook up for a minute. And then the paddles get ripped off of them. And that's where you got to put all the studs because that's the only part that actually has rubber on it. So it don't last very long. Does work very good though. Until they're all gone.
And well, we successfully changed the tire.
We did?
Yes. It was during the time lapse.
Was
So you're not gonna see it because everything was going so fast.
and
This is my 15th beer. We're going so fast. Actually, we had to go get more beer and then come back.
Just
rubber everywhere. But the good news is the tires are squared edges again.
I think it looks better. You squirt some Black Magic Tire Black on that sucker, take it to the show. Alright,
It
let's
would
get
be
back
nice.
to the slow stuff now.
Okay, back to the slow stuff.
Tires replaced. That's how you do it, guys, right there.
This is not.
That's how it's done.
Did you see how fast he did that? We need to wear more safety glasses when we change tires.
What are these?
Bought them for the dunes, man.
How do you even buy something like this?
I don't remember.
eBay?
No.
I can't
Possibly.
believe you put windshield washers on your RZR. That's awesome. Awesome. Right here, windshield washers.
Or antenna, because I was wheeling this out the one day. You take your
Tires change.
McGuire's,
Back down.
wheel this out. Maybe you can see the difference. Oh, you can definitely see the difference.
Great video.
That's a great video.
should have just did like a review on this because this thing is beat.
It is not beat.
It's used. This is a used.
That tire is ready for the dunes. Ready to race. Beadlocks. All right, review it. 2020 RZR Turbo
Whip
S.
out.
It is not. Turn the key. How many miles?
A lot.
Not that many. Over 2,000.
What is this?
It's the antenna for the radio.
For
Put
what?
it, put it
you
back
actually-
on.
Oh, I didn't
It's
realize
only
you
got
had-
2,000 miles.
Why
on it.
is this off of here?
2,030 miles.
Is it? No. Is that the odometer? That's a trip meter, Daryl.
2650.
We're going so
2650.
fast. This thing's permanently
Go through it.
Has an arch in it.
Yeah. Stage 4 Evo.
Slow.
Won a bunch of races.
One of
Just none that we were at.
does
Hey.
it count when it's on the top?
Yep, it's been rolled. Cage
Does it have
fine.
any damage down here? Like
Look
is
at this damage.
this?
This is why you always pre-run the dunes before just letting her eat off of them.
I don't see any reason to do that.
Does it have anything
Those are made to be jumped.
that looks different in this
That
area?
totally factory.
That's
Those
actually-
zip ties.
That's actually factory color.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
factory.
It is. It is
That's
factory.
What do we got here?
Not for me.
That's probably from you.
No, it's
We
fine.
got your eBay special mirror.
eBay, $70.
Broken.
Mirrors.
How did you get this many
roll
scratches?
cage here that kind of
It's
is
factory.
one of them things.
It was a Friday Labor Day build, so they ain't really quality control wasn't
What
there.
happened here? Should we talk about that?
Nope, don't want to. That's a mountain lion came after me, and wanted my children back seat. Just really, the little kids looked tasty, and good thing I had the stage 4.
Stay away from mountain lions. They're obviously dangerous.
Obviously, stage 4 got us away real quick.
What else we got going on back here?
Like, why do they
Just,
automatically put these holes in there?
What color is this right here?
That is
It's hard to get.
Is that special? Did you paint that?
it is special.
Okay.
That's the front tire special.
How exactly did you get all these polka dotted?
That's been repainted, so that's them are factory and repainted. Check that video. Don't, it's dumb and wasted your time. That from 2 turbo buses and a 24-foot trailer rubbed on the back door. This is custom painted. I wet sanded this with your custom carpet cleaner and some 600 grit. I wheeled it out nice and smooth.
Oh,
What else? What else? This is your review here of my machine.
I mean, we can't drive it, so
We can.
we probably shouldn't. What's this going? What's going on right here? This don't look normal.
now when you say we shouldn't,
I don't know. There.
There, that looks good.
That's normal.
Yeah, that's from jumping.
I mean it's not as normal as this side, but
It's fine.
Mine actually curled way under.
Yeah, it's just a little bracket. What else? Fox shocks doing great. Probably should rebuild those. Not going. Now it's recording. See?
Oh my god, I gotta be able to see out of here.
all right.
I'm in 4-wheel drive.
I mean we got a lot of room in here.
Oh my god. That was with the
We try and hold it back.
Okay, hold on a second. Take a break. Putting your seatbelt on. Safety first. Well, if you want to run burnout, 15 miles an hour. Yeah, it was. Well, I wasn't sure if it smelled. No. I'm killing the bugs in my garage.
That's horrible.
I'm killing the bugs in my garage.
bit smoky.
Wow. It's like it's on fire.
My beer's in there.
Everybody!